gonna ski down the hill. It's the first time.
And you're not gonna fall down? Okay. You ready?
Might.
Alright, here he goes. And down. It's alright. Try it again. There you go. Here comes Noah. Good job, buddy. Here he goes. Shoo. Good job, bud.
No guarantees with this kid. You ready? I don't have a problem with that. Just hit the dog. Don't worry about the dog.
Good job.
Good job, Noah.
Feet. Woo! Sofa.
I was going to ask him if they want to go sledding again, but I think that's going to help.
All right.